CES 2025 is officially ended, and a lot of us are wondering when we'll be able to get our hands on some of that futuristic tech. Unfortunately, some of those gadgets are years away from being ready, and others might not even make it to the market. The good news? There's a handful of cool tech that you actually don't have to wait for. So here's a list of the most exciting CES products that you can buy or pre-order today. So for those of us who somehow managed to kill every single plant that we own, CES 2025 has something just for me, for you, and it's called the LeafyPod. It's an AI-powered planter that monitors your plant's sunlight, water, and humidity needs, sending helpful nudges to your phone when things are looking a little dry. Setup is pretty simple, just tell the app what plant you're working with, and LeafyPod learns its unique needs after just a few waterings. It then creates the perfect care schedule and lets you know if it needs to be moved to a sunnier spot or cooled down. Plus, the built-in water reservoir can keep your green friend hydrated for up to 4 weeks, perfect for plant parents who like to travel. For $140, the LeafyPod is available for pre-order now, with shipments starting this spring. Next, Lenovo announced at CES the new Legion Go S, a $499 handheld gaming PC running SteamOS. Launching in May, the Legion Go S is a reimagined version of Lenovo's earlier handheld, ditching detachable controllers for a more traditional design with a comfy grip. Now this handheld has a lot going for it. It has a lightweight design, 120Hz refresh rate, SteamOS, and a 55 Wh battery. Now for those who want flexibility, Lenovo is also releasing a Windows version in January for $729.99, featuring 32GB of RAM and 1TB of storage. Now the SteamOS version expected in May will be a little bit more affordable, starting at $500 for 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. Now if you're looking for an eco-friendly laptop, look no further than the Acer Aspire Vero 16. Now this $749 laptop combines eco-friendly designs with solid mid-range specs, including 16GB of RAM, 16-inch display, and the Intel Core Ultra 5 processor, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable and eco-friendly laptop. HMD had a huge announcement with their first ever satellite communication device, the HMD OffGrid. Now this lightweight gadget, just 60 grams and small enough to fit in your hand, lets iOS and Android users connect directly to satellites using reliable L-band technology. The OffGrid includes two-way messaging, live location tracking for up to 5 contacts, and a check-in button for quick updates to friends and family. It even comes with Overwatch X Rescue, a premium emergency response service offering 24/7 multilingual support. Now the device costs $200, with a subscription plan starting at $14.99 a month for unlimited messaging and SOS features. It launches in January across the US, Europe, Australia, and New Zealand, with more regions expected in 2025. If you're always running low on a battery, Anker— oh, sorry, my camera's about to die. Sorry. If you're always running low on a battery, Anker has you covered with their new 25,000 mAh battery power bank. It features 2 built-in USB-C cables, 1 retractable up to 27 inches, and another 8-inch foldable strap, making it easy to charge devices on the go. With 165 watts of total power, it can charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro to 50% in just 30 minutes. You can also charge up to 4 devices at once thanks to its USB-C and A ports and the built-in cables. It's available now for $100 on Amazon and it ships in 2 days. That wraps up my list of all the CES tech that you can buy or pre-order right now. If you want to see more tech from the event, check out my video covering some of the biggest announcements from the event. Till next time, this is Emmanuel with TechRepublic, and thanks for watching.